Yes, you mad Etsy sellers, mate. I got some crazy news for you. Check this out. This is madness. Listings are done. Old listing styles are done. Etsy's gonna banish those old listing forms, man. And I don't know if I'm happy about this, because to be fair, I like the old form and it's got some cool stuff, but you know what? They are gonna demolish and finish it up, man. Guys, if you love breaking news, you love updates and all of that crazy stuff, then please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of the videos in your feed, man, in your feed. Guys, my name's AJ. I do all things digital products in Etsy, designing, showing you some trends, SEO, all of that stuff. And if you love all of that stuff, then hit that button below, man. Check this out. Look, Etsy's retiring old listing form. Sellers say new forms still missing important functionality. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, let me jump on this because this is important, guys. Those of you that are listening up, trying to get that mad passive income, this is what it's about. So let's say you're going on to creating a listing, right? So you want to do a digital product file. Who made it? You did. What is it? A finished product? Boom. All of that good stuff, yeah? Obviously the first questions that they ask: when was it made? 2022 to 2024. Just continue, man. Let's just continue. I just want to show you what this madness is about. So check this out. It tells you right at the top, man, right at the top, just to give you an idea. The old form goes away on the 25th of June, man. The old form, the style, the old form of creating your listings, man. When you're actually putting all that information, all that good stuff for your listing title, the old form is going away, man. Look at this. Let's check this out. So this is what the old form looks like. Anybody that knows Etsy knows this good stuff, man. Look at this. Look at this old listing style, man. I love this sugar. I love this madness. So, yep. Start using the updated listing form, and yeah, so they're trying to push you to use the new form. And you know what, look, man, if you're not using the new form, you might as well just use it, because trust me, this is gone now. All this lovely, take a picture of it, say goodbye, bye, say whatever you like to the old listing, man. Just let it go, man. Just try out the new one. Yeah, leave that madness. Just go to the new listing. Come on, that's it. We're doing it. We're doing it. Back to the new listing. So yeah, back to what I was saying. It's official, right? It's gonna start from the 25th of June. You got literally about a month from the time of doing this video where you can literally just say goodbye to your old listing format. However, it's not just about that. What's happening is that apparently people feel like there's a lot of things that are missing on the new format. Now tell me in the comments below, do you think the new format is better, or do you prefer the old listing format? Which is yours, new or old? Just drop in new or old in the comments below, please. And if you got time, tell me why, man. Tell me why. I'll be honest with you, I've been using the new one, and it's quite easy to navigate and to move around. I kind of like it. I find it easy, to be fair. It's easier. But as it says Etsy is officially retiring the old listing form as of June the 25th, saying the form is evolving into a new version with time-saving features. Yeah, I think I agree with a bit of time-saving. But sellers say new features don't make up for old features that are still missing, as they worry about impacts of being forced to switch. Well, you're going to be forced, man, I'm afraid. Look, Etsy's changing all kinds of madness. You know this and I know this, and it's about moving with the times. And if we don't move with the times, they're not listening. They're not hearing you. They gave us the option of going for old and new, and now they're just going to take it away from us. So look, it says, thanks to feedback from sellers like you, the updated form is streamlined and now has everything you need to save you time. If you haven't tried it already, no action is needed to make the switch. Confidently list your items with these time-saving features. So scroll no more, optimize smarter, get a sneak peek. So listing preview lets you double check your edits, which is like a feature. New skip the mental math. The profit calculator helps you efficiently estimate your profits while pricing your items. So again, that's sort of development. So yeah, I mean, look, I personally think it's quite good. But look, sellers are complaining that the new form does not appear to offer any way to manually translate their listings anymore, leaving them stuck with Etsy's sometime lacking automated translations for some languages. Okay. The new listing form has been in beta. Yeah, it has been in beta for some time, I remember. And while many of the bugs have been worked out, others still remain, like long-standing issues for non-US sellers who use the domestic pricing tool to charge taxes correctly or to offer free. I've heard there's issues with that. Free shipping to the US. Reporting the new form causes prices to be incorrect. Yes, I've heard that. So, and UK sellers, to be honest. Look, it says, hi UK seller, I use the differential pricing for domestic and overseas, and I had this issue last summer. For me, it was an issue when using the new listing template on the desktop site. Blah, blah, blah. Of course, at some point, Etsy will likely remove the old listing template from you, so hopefully they will have fixed this before. Yes, so look, there are some things that are still needing ironing out. I agree. And have you experienced anything that you need to iron out, especially the non-US sellers out there? But maybe even the sellers in the US, maybe you're having problems too. But literally, there are still some teething problems. And I think that they still need to buy that. I don't really know why beta's still not going on until from maybe another 3 or 4 months. I think it would be a good idea to keep the option of the old one whilst everything has been sorted out. I don't know what the rush is. They're like rushing to do the new listing style and they're not even like giving people a bit of time. So I don't know, man. For me, I wish they give people a bit more time because I feel like it's a rush. I feel like they just want to rush it and not give people time. And I feel like there's still some bugs to be ironed out, to be fair. So I don't know, man. Tell me what you think, man. But listen, the old listing is done. It's over. 25th of June is look like when it's like done for that. And we're on for this new thing. So my advice is this: get used to the new listing. If you don't like it, I'm afraid, look, Etsy is not going to hear it. They're just going to carry on. They're going to do the new listing. So look, I personally think it's not too bad. I think it's pretty good. I think it's quite a simple, straightforward thing. And it is quicker. For me, it's quicker. But tell me what you think. Give me your comment below. And yeah. And listen, and another madness that I wanted to tell you really quickly, man. Look at this madness I want to tell you really quickly. Aside from that madness, look at this. I want to show you this. Yeah, now check this out, man. I don't know if you know about this already, but I'm sure you do because this was like about a week ago, right? Etsy's testing a few new features for buyers and sellers where they're trying to offer options for how buyers can receive and use refunds and how sellers can set up sales and discounts for their shops. Now, this is kind of newish, you know, guys. And I've heard people have had a few issues with that. Tell me if you've had issues with regards to setting up sales and discount. Tell me if it's been a problem yet, because I'd love to know. So Etsy revealed that buyers who request returns can receive refunds immediately in the form of credit that can be used to shop on the platform. Testing out giving buyers option. So it says we're experimenting with a new way for buyers to get an immediate refund for their purchase in the form of Etsy credit they can put towards their next order. So with Etsy credit, buyers can shop for something new sooner. This doesn't change anything in your workflow. You'll process your refunds in the same way you do today. However, sellers have also noticed a new option when creating a discount offer, questioning whether it is a test or slow rollout, right? So let me know if you have seen it because I think it's being tested. And you know what? To be honest with you, Etsy will probably roll it out, right? But look, there has been some teething problems with this. Just tell me what your feelings are about this new feature. Yeah, just drop me a comment below. But look, this is like this update came out exactly a week ago. So these updates are coming thick and fast, guys. Thick and fast. You got to keep up to date. But yeah, let me know what you think below. And I shall see you on the next update, mate. Take care. See you on the next one.